Imagine a world where a sales rep or business owner is no longer limited by the time and labor costs it takes to generate and nurture a lead. Well, that day is here, thanks to the invention of our proprietary AI employee. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you a little known but powerful way for your business to generate and convert leads without the restrictions of budget, labor costs, or your ability to scale being dependent on how many sales agents you can hire. If you stay to the end of this video, I'll show you how to get access to this proprietary technology for pennies on the dollar compared to what it would cost to do it on your own. No technical skills required. Hi, my name is Isaiah Colton. I am a serial entrepreneur and business coach with an expertise in helping businesses generate more business from their database and build 8-figure sales teams. I've had privilege to coach under and work with people like Russell Brunson, Tony Robbins, Alex Hormozi, along with real estate titans like Barry Jenkins, Gary Aston, Tristan Ahumada, Terry Bias, alongside hundreds of industry leaders, and many of our clients are on the Wall Street Journal top 250 list. In the process of building businesses, myself and industry leaders were constantly being restrained by our own ability to work and nurture our database. No matter what we did, new leads would struggle to be followed up on, good opportunities would slip through the cracks, and my cost of sales skyrocketed. If you've ever done lead generation and conversion for your own business or led a sales team, you can relate to the pain and burnout that comes with it. For most small to medium-sized teams, it's costing hundreds of thousands or even millions, and most business owners don't even see or know how bad it is. The good news is, it doesn't have to be that way anymore. Over the past 10 years, I've been obsessed with solving the lead generation and conversion problem. Spending over $15 million on lead generation and well over $20 million on lead conversion, hiring sales reps, and trying to crack the code of building profitable 7- and 8-figure sales teams. The result is a client acquisition system that puts 80% of your lead generation and lead conversion on autopilot. And because of the invention of the AI employee, taking market share and growing fast and profitably has never been easier in the history of business. That is why thousands of real estate pros and business owners from every industry have used us to help scale their business, many seeing explosive growth. So what is the client acquisition system, and how can it work for your business? It's called REN 360, and it includes an AI employee and Smart CRM built to generate and convert leads from your database 24/7 with machine-like precision and a scarily human-like experience, without the labor costs of a sales or marketing agent or the time, energy, and skill it normally takes to build a powerhouse team. For existing teams, this is also the ultimate game changer, because sales agents can now have their own AI employee to help them with all their inbound leads, follow-up, long-term nurture, service support, and much more, often doubling productivity without the traditional burnout that comes from sales teams having to dial for dollars. They can work smart on leads that actually have intent and spend double, if not triple, their time closing deals. So that's what it is. Now let's talk about how it works. Step 1. You upload your database to the Smart CRM. Some businesses use this as their primary CRM. Or, if you're not, you can sync your current CRM to REN 360 with seamless integration and updates to both systems in real time. Then, REN goes to work. You select what leads you want to focus on, and the AI employee starts finding updated names, emails, phone numbers, and even over time, starts scoring which leads are more likely to buy. This gives you and your sales team power. The power to focus on what we call a smart list, a highly filtered dynamic list of the most qualified leads, saving you time and money. Step 2. The AI employee goes to work. It reaches out at the exact day, time, and frequency you tell it to, with better than human performance and conversion. If you ever saw the movie The Matrix, when Agent Smith fights Neo, Smith had the competitive advantage of being able to clone himself, creating an unfair advantage in the fight. Well, that's exactly what the AI does for you. The AI is able to clone itself and have as many conversations as needed to generate and convert leads in your database, like having an army of salespeople without the labor cost. It doesn't call in sick, and it gets smarter every single time it does outreach. What makes our AI employee different from anything out there is how it learns. Given our deep history in sales and marketing, we've trained it on the 7 core principles of sales and persuasion. In addition to learning your scripts for your company, it also scores itself and over time trains itself on how to improve from each call. Ultimately, it gives you a competitive advantage to take market share in your business with a skill set that's unmatched. We call its brain Neuro AI. The end result? Live transfers, booked appointments, and intelligent follow-ups. The only limit you have is how many leads you give it to work. And as long as you're following TCPA regulations, it could help you recruit new sales agents, promote an event, do mass surveys, touch base with your current clients, and very soon, you'll be able to give it commands to do tasks, offer help, act as a role-play partner, and even function as a co-CEO, giving advice on how to better grow your business. Step 3. The client acquisition system is built on a proven AI-powered sales and marketing plan, giving you and your team access to the exact strategies and tactics the top 1% use to execute their plan daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly to put your business in hypergrowth. Depending on your level of service, you'll also get access to daily coaching calls around mindset, lead generation, sales, AI tech, and elite business operations. The result? A true partnership and true growth with recognition for your success along the way. Now, at this point, if you've heard enough and you're ready to install your own AI employee into your business, we're going to do something really exciting for you. We're going to give you an opportunity to get access to our Smart CRM free for life. That's right. It's over a $10,000 value with no credit card required, and you'll get access to a smart CRM designed for the world of AI, able to actually help you, instead of your leads sitting in your old, outdated CRM acting like nothing more than a storage bin. We're also going to give you an option to get an exclusive offer with huge savings, only one per industry area, when you create your account and set up a demo to see what AI employee package works best for you. And we're so confident, it's backed by a 90-day satisfaction guarantee. You'll learn more about that later. Now, maybe you're asking yourself, why are they so confident? Well, there are 3 reasons. 1, we have so much evidence of its success. As long as you follow the system and give it enough leads, it is virtually impossible not to experience results. We have stats showing what the AI employee does in production versus a regular sales team. And it's not even close. The time, money, and energy it saves and makes you is staggering. 2, our proprietary technology, Neuro AI, again, doesn't just automate, it thinks, learns, and improves constantly. 3, right now, less than 10% of business owners and sales teams have figured out how to make an AI employee work for them, and 97% of them are still functioning in outdated CRMs. This gives teams a competitive advantage like no other. For a small window of time, teams with an AI employee will take market share and in some cases eliminate their competition for those who choose to wait or not take this seriously. While your competitors are still doing manual lead generation and follow-up, you'll have an army of AI agents doing the work without the payroll or the aggravation of management. Now, as exciting as this is, it's not going to be like this forever. You have a small window of time before people catch on, and that competitive advantage disappears. We're making it our personal mission to help millions of business owners reclaim their time, grow fast, and remove the chains that stop most businesses from scaling. That's why you need to register for your free Smart CRM user now, because timing and opportunity is everything. If you look at the greatest wealth transfers in history, it was always because people were at the right place at the right time. Now, there's one final thing I'll leave you with. You can also earn passive income from this shift of wealth that's happening. When you sign up for Ren 360, you'll have 2 affiliate options. 1, earn 10% from anyone you introduce to the platform and 5% when they introduce someone else, even if you had nothing to do with it. 2, You can also become an agency partner and white label this software. Sell it as if it was your own. We call ourselves renegades, those who think differently, don't accept the status quo, and want to change lives through this AI revolution. With unparalleled rewards and an amazing community of like-minded people, this truly is an opportunity of a lifetime, and you owe it to yourself to take advantage of it. Click the link around this video, register now, and we'll see you on the other side.